Run. I am running. Jump. I am jumping. Read. We are reading. Ask. She asked a question. Built. I built a wall. Clean. I am cleaning. Climb. I am climbing. Close. He closed the door. Cook. She cooks pasta. Dance. They dance together. Draw. She drew a picture. Drink. She drank juice. Eat. He eats quickly. Find. He found something. Fly. He flew a kite. Finish. They finished the race. Go. I go to school. Kick. She kicked him. Laugh. I am laughing. Learn. We learn together. Listen. I listen carefully. Open. I open the door. Paint. I love to paint. Play. I play football. Sing. We sings beautifully. Sit. She sit by the window. Sleep. I sleep on my bed. Sleep. I am sleeping. Stand. I stand in the line. Study. I study for the exams. Swim. She swims in the pool. Talk. I talk to my friend. Teach. She loves to teach. Throw. She threw the stone. Travel. They travel to explore nature. Brush. I brush my teeth daily. Exercise. I exercise every morning. Fight. I fight to win. Help. I help my friend carry her. Sad. I feel sad. Thank. I think I can do it. Type. I am typing. Wake. I wake up early every day. Wash. I wash my cloth. Watch. I watch it. Write. I write a letter. Yell. I yell when I'm excited. Bath. She is having a bath. Blink. She blinks fast. Repair. I repair the car. Push. She pushes the box. Bake. She is baking. Clap. I clap loudly. Slide. She slide in the playground. Fishing. We are fishing today. Waiting. I am waiting for you. Smell. He smells fresh meal. Mopping. I am mopping the floor. Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet. Pull. She pulls him closer. Hug. I gave him a big hug. Drive. We drive in the morning. Cycling. I am cycling. Lying. I am lying on the bed. Snoring. He is snoring loudly. Riding. He is riding a horse. Shopping. I love shopping. Skipping. I am skipping the rope. Crawling. The baby is crawling. Farming. I love farming crops. Tasting. I am tasting the banana. Selling. I sell cookies.